Hey guys, welcome back. Have you ever had that moment when your phone, laptop, or even your car battery dies and you feel like you're stuck in the endless cycle of replacing things? Well, I've got something to share that completely changed my perspective on how we treat our electronics and batteries. You know how we always just toss out dead batteries and electronics, right? But what if I told you there's a way to save all that money and bring your old devices back to life? I recently came across this amazing product called Easy Battery Fix, and honestly, it's a game changer. You won't believe how simple it is. This guide teaches you step by step how to recondition batteries, whether it's for your phone, laptop, car, or even toys, using just things you already have at home. I mean, how many times have you just tossed something away thinking it was completely useless? Well, with Easy Battery Fix, that's all about to change. The first time I tried it, I revived my old phone battery that I thought was completely dead. I was skeptical at first, but when I saw my phone charging like new again, I couldn't believe it. It's incredible to think about how much money we waste on buying new batteries and devices when, with a little knowledge, we could extend the life of the stuff we already own. The guide is so easy to follow. I'm talking clear, no-fuss instructions that anyone can follow, even if you've never dealt with batteries before. And let's not forget about the savings. Imagine not having to spend hundreds of dollars on new batteries or even entire devices. This could save you so much money in the long run. The best part? It's not just for phones or laptops. I've used it on everything: my old drill, a remote control that wasn't working, and even some toys that had been sitting in my closet collecting dust. It's like I'm breathing new life into all my gadgets. What I love most about Easy Battery Fix is that it feels like a personal empowerment tool. It's not just about saving money, it's about taking control of the things you own and not letting them go to waste. And let's be real, in today's world, being able to fix something yourself feels pretty amazing. If you're tired of the endless cycle of replacing batteries and throwing things away, this guide is definitely for you. Trust me, it'll make a huge difference. And it'll probably make you see your devices in a whole new light. I really believe everyone should have access to this kind of knowledge. Imagine how much less waste there would be if we all learned how to fix what we already have. Plus, the peace of mind knowing that you can save your favorite devices from the landfill is priceless. So, guys, if you want to learn how to bring your electronics back to life and save yourself tons of money, check out Easy Battery Fix. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to check out my other videos. See you soon.